2016.
Year.
1 year, around 1 year.
By then she had the child.
She delivered and
Yes,
the child
yes.
was 2 months and that's when she left.
What is the date of separation?
Date of separation is 20th December 2016.
So in 1 year she had the child.
This one.
The child was born on 25th of October 2016.
And then she left.
Yes.
2-month-old child.
She left on the pretext that her father was met with an accident.
Mallards.
So she went
Battered
to her.
and everything, and somehow she just managed to get out of there, Mallards.
It was a mere.
Working in a school. Why? What is?
No, that is the baseless. That is the baseless allegation. In fact, this allegation was not there in the petition. She has simply.
The party is willing to take her back.
Yes. My party has filed Section 9 petition.
In restitution
Yes.
of conjugal rights.
Has already filed Section 9
Feel
petition.
secured enough. She does not want to go back, Mallards. Already so much of time has passed. So I feel, Mallards, she's a young girl, Mallards, around 27 years old. 27, 28 years old, Mallards. Now today, if we tell her to go back, I think, Mallards, it will be
The
injustice
child
to her.
doesn't
also
know
if there
about
is
the
a-
mother.
Mallards?
Child doesn't know about the mother. Then who is there in this along with the father to look after the child?
Mother-in-law, her grandmother. Grandmother and grandparents. She is living with the grandparents.
Where are they?
She's online, Mallards. जूली कुमारी अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए.
अवधेश जी कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए एक बार.
Huh?
हेलो हेलो
अवधेश जी
जी सर
कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए आप.
जी जी सर एक मिनट सर जी सर.
Lady doesn't know. So an arranged marriage?
It's an arranged marriage, Mallards.
But then, arrange-
Your party doesn't want to stay in Darbanka.
No, Mallards, it's an arranged marriage, and after that she was residing there only. However,
Less than a year.
yes, Mallards.
a year exactly.
She gave
She's
it
willing
chance
to
to
take
her
her.
marriage. Mallards, it's too belated now. Too belated. Mallards,
Can you? We
as a-
can't
as a
believe
woman-
See, it's difficult to believe what your party is saying.
Mallards,
The marriage is on 30th December. She delivered 10 months later.
Mallards.
10 months later, so 9 months pregnancy. How could she be pushed into prostitution during her pregnancy? What is this?
Even that was not the allegation.
Mallards, may ask.
Maybe she doesn't want to
Pleaded
live
in
in
the trial
Darbanka.
court.
She wants to live in Gurgaon.
Mallards, she is doing. That's her, Mallards.
Whether she is willing to reside, ask her. She
Julie
knows
Kumari?
Hindi. English she knows?
Yes, Mallards.
Please ask her.
Julie Kumari, are you interested in living with your husband again?
Why did she come away, leaving the 2-month-old child? Why did she come away?
Why did you leave your husband?
And child?
नहीं रहना चाहती हूँ. आवाज आ रही है?
बताइए.
नहीं रहना चाहती हूँ मैम उसके साथ में.
What about this?
She doesn't want to live, Mallards.
She doesn't want to live with.
Is she working now in Gurgaon?
She is working now.
As
अब तुम कहीं पे जॉब कर रही हो? कहाँ जॉब कर रही हो? साहब को बताइए.
हेलो
जूली, तुम कहाँ पे जॉब कर रही हो? साहब को बताइए.
where is she working?
मैम मैं कंपनी में जॉब कर रही हूँ बस.
As what?
As what? क्या जॉब कर रही हो? अपने जॉब का डिस्क्रिप्शन बताओ.
मैम मैं उसमें कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम करती हूँ.
कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम करती हूँ.
Now ask him whether he will look after the child. What is the name of the child?
Pushti.
पुष्टि.
Pushti.
Yes, Mallards.
Your lordship.
Now how old is she? 7 years.
Around 7 years.
Around 7.
Going to school? Ask
Yeah. पोद्दार जी,
जी सर
अवधेश जी, बच्ची अभी स्कूल जा रही है.
जी
which class?
किस क्लास में पढ़ रही है?
अब 1 में पढ़ रही।
स्टैंडर्ड 1.
whether he's willing to take her.
Custody is with the husband.
No, the wife.
अवधेश जी,
जी
आप बच्चे की कस्टडी माँ को देना चाहते हैं?
No.
एक्चुअली है क्या मैम?
अच्छा,
मैम,
सॉरी. आप वाइफ को रखना चाहते हैं अवधेश जी?
With the,
जी
not Rakna. You must say whether she's willing. Don't say Rakna चाहते हैं for the wife. What are you saying? Proper language. वाइफ के साथ रहना चाहते हैं.
अवधेश जी, वाइफ के साथ आप रहना चाहते हैं?
जी
बीवी के साथ.
यस.
If he is willing, she is not willing. And 60,000, how it is being paid?
It is paid in cash, my lords.
Anything else? She's not asking anything else.
She asked for her jewelry and all, but all of that he says I don't have. She doesn't want to fight any more on it.
Sufficient for this. Sufficient. We'll go ahead.
Please, my lords.
Ask them. So we'll dissolve the marriage.
जूली जी, आपकी मैरिज को साहब डिसॉल्व कर दें, डिवोर्स दे दें आपको.
हाँ मैम.
What does he say?
जोर से बोलिए हाँ या ना.
मैम डिवोर्स हो चुका है. अब करना है डिवोर्स.
And he?
अवधेश जी,
जी सर.
अब दोनों की शादी को डिसॉल्व कर दिया जाए, डिवोर्स ग्रांट किया जाए, जनाब पूछ रहे हैं.
All right.
एक्चुअली है क्या मैम, बच्चे को ये फ्यूचर को देखते हुए हम थोड़ा सा वो कंसीडर करते हैं, क्योंकि वो बच्ची को छोड़ के 3 year month
आप
Then how does the child recognize the mother? What visitation rights?
Well, the only thing that was possible was that he can make them talk over the phone, video calls and all, frequenting and all of that is there. Tomorrow when the child grows up, at least she'll know who the mother is. And at the same time, the mother, if she wants to remarry, there'll not be a child as a hindrance to stop. Though children are not a hindrance, I say.
If he wants to remarry,
the child continues to stay with the father
then
only.
that child will recognize his wife as the mother. Then it's better your party remains away.
They'll remain away.
Advise her.
My lords, quite so.
She'll get confused. Why 2 mothers?
My lords.
The petitioner is the husband of the respondent. The petitioner has filed this petition under section 25 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 within bracket CPC, seeking the following reliefs. The parties were referred to the Supreme Court Mediation Center in order to explore the possibility of a settlement. Learned counsel for the respective parties submitted that the parties have arrived at a settlement of all their disputes, and the terms of settlement are crystallized by the settlement. That an application is of divorce by mutual consent. Learned counsel for the respective parties drew our attention to various terms and conditions of the settlement agreement. One of the terms and conditions is that a sum of rupees 60,000 has been paid by the petitioner husband to the respondent wife in full and final settlement of all her claims towards permanent alimony, Sridan, past and present and future maintenance, and any claim whatsoever. That the minor girl child Pushti, who is presently in the custody of the petitioner husband, shall continue to reside with him. It is stated that the child's grandparents also reside along with their son, the petitioner herein, and that they would look after the minor child. That a limited visitation right is reserved to the respondent herein in case she wishes to have any contact with the minor child. In the circumstances, learned counsel for the respective parties submitted that the settlement agreement dated 9/8/2024 and the joint application may be taken on record and the marriage between the parties may be dissolved. Further, the cases pending between the parties may also be quashed. The parties are present before this court through video conferencing facility. We have interacted with the parties. When queried by this court, they stated that they have indeed decided to part ways on the terms and conditions stated in the settlement agreement and that they have arrived at the said settlement on their own free volition without there being any coercion of or undue influence from any side. They stated that they would abide by the terms of the settlement. In the above backdrop, we have taken on record the settlement agreement dated 9/8/2024, as well as the joint application filed under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. We have perused the same. In view of the payment of rupees 60,000 by the petitioner to the respondent, there shall be no further claims of the respondent as against the petitioner. Secondly, the minor child Pushti shall remain in the permanent custody of the petitioner husband, within bracket father of the child, and the respondent mother shall not have any claim over her custody except to the extent of the limited visitation rights as stated in the terms of settlement. How 2 days in a month? Family court every time.
Family
Then
court.
he has to bring the child.
He has to bring the child there. Mother, at present, the child doesn't recognize the mother. It's better that if they meet, it is in a premises where both the parties are.
Why will she? She has not seen the child for 7 years. Why should she?
Let's
wants to go and-
let that remain. Let that remain open.
Did we say? The parties shall cooperate with each other vis-a-vis the limited visitation rights that has been reserved to the respondent in relation to the minor child, girl child Pushti. The cases filed, the following cases, you take it from the sticker and put it's the paragraph 3 are stand quashed. Four, how many cases?
4 cases, my lord.
4 cases.
This is stand quashed.
Listed in para 4 of the application, my lords.
Same thing in para 3 of the settlement.
Yes, my lords.
Same.
The
However, in DV petition, other family members are already.
we have perused the terms of the settlement. And on perusal of the same, we find this that they are lawful and there is no legal impediment in accepting the terms of the settlement. Consequently, they are accepted by us. In the result, the marriage between the parties, which was solemnized on 30/12/2015 at Darbhanga, Bihar,
Yes, madam.
resolved by a decree of divorce by mutual consent. The terms of settlement shall be read as part and parcel of this order. The registry is directed to draw up a decree in the aforesaid terms.